I've mentioned to you in class that in this new unit, we are going to be working to develop multiple memoirs that you're going to be writing after looking at examples of ingredients that make a good story. A memoir is a true story, a personal story, and it's just about one moment or one time in your life. So when we think about what you're going to write about, we're really going to be focusing in on just a flashpoint moment in time, not summarizing many years or even many days. We are going to be going through this process slowly and trying little pieces at a time, but we are going to try to identify different points in our lives to do little drafts on. And one thing that always frustrates me is when I ask students about what is a memorable moment in your life, a significant point in your life, and they say, I have nothing exciting has happened to me, nothing memorable or significant. So this brainstorming document has tons of little sentence starters meant to spur your memory about many different types of moments throughout your life. You do not have to answer all of them, but I would try to get at least 10 of them answered if you can. So for example, if I'm sitting here brainstorming right now, I haven't even looked at these prompts in a while. One of the first one here says, a moment from childhood I think about often. I'm not even going to put complete sentences right now or complete thoughts right now. Christmas Eve each year with my dad's side of the family. I think about that all the time when it comes around to Christmas time because it has changed so much since I was a kid and I miss that. Then there's one that says a moment from the last week or month that comes to mind. And my first thought when I see that is when I was still on summer break, repeated visits to the city, which was a lot of fun. I don't go to Chicago often, but I had all the time in the world, so I was taking the train to visit my friend there all the time. Your job is just to try to think of something that could complete each of these sentences. And even if you feel like they wouldn't be worth writing a whole story about, we're not judging that right now. We are just getting, as this says here, the first answer that comes to mind before we get to the moments that really matter that you could write about. So again, please try to get at least 10 of these completed and then submit back to the assignment when you're done.